Texas Voodoo here. Today we're going to do an unboxing on the Synergy Manufacturing front track bar and sector shaft brace. I ordered this from Poly Performance. They had the best price on it. We got, looks like a package of sorted nuts and bolts, your Pitman gearbox mount, a bunch of Synergy decals, Synergy Manufacturing instructions. The part number for this is 8869-01. It's for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I'm going to do a 2-inch Mopar lift, JKS track bars, and the Synergy steering brace. Hopefully I'll do all that this coming weekend. Very nice. Solid, beautiful welds, powder coated.